Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorials on games. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can redeem a vBucks code. So to do this, you need to simply go over to your browser and search up Fortnite vBucks card, and after that you need to click on the first link that appears and you need to click on get started right here. You need to enter your code that's on the back of your vBucks card. So just like this, here it will show you a pin and you need to scratch it and you need to enter the code that's in here. I don't have a code, so after you have done that you need to click on next and it will ask you the platform that you play Fortnite on, and after you have done that click on next again, and after that it will show you a review of your card and it will show you how many vBucks you are getting and how many vBucks you will have after you have entered the code. So to do that you need to click on next, and after that your code will be redeemed and the vBucks will be in your account in a few minutes. So thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. And also please comment down below what video you guys want us to cover next and we will simply do so. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.